All right, morning again. Today is December 16, 2020, Wednesday. This is the Kubernetes Data Protection Working Group meeting. Today we got a couple of items in the list to go through. I'll go through them pretty quickly. First of all, the snapshot feature is now announced as a GA feature in Kubernetes. The blog post is out. We'll go a little bit into that, what's new, what has been newly introduced, etc. And then we'll switch back to talk a little bit on data protection workflows. And Fong has called multiple meetings within the group, within a smaller group, on the change block tracking API. And today, Fong is going to bring the discussion to the bigger group. What is this? Seems to be newly added. I don't know. Okay, this is related. And then we'll give updates on a couple of the caps that is going on concurrently, and then we'll open the discussion to the group. Firstly, let's go through the announcement. Snapshot right now is GA. The blog post is in the link. It contains a couple for new changes. Xin, do you want to go through all these new changes?
Yeah, can you open that?
I suspect that you can see my screen. Do you?
It's not shared anymore.
Yeah, because I shared a tab. Now?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so if you just move to what's new since beta. So since beta, we have moved the Snapshot API client library to a separate Go module, added a validation webhook for more strict validation of the APIs. And we also have some the controller is also doing labeling of invalid snapshot API objects, and also added metric support in the snapshot controller, more E2E testing. But the API itself, the V1 and V1 beta 1 API itself doesn't really have any difference. The schema is the same. So for now, both V1 and V1 beta 1 will be served. V1 beta 1 will be the stored version. Eventually, we will get rid of the support of V1 beta 1 at later stage. So yeah, so that's the changes.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
For those who in this meeting who might be related to this change, it is critical to follow the guidance or README for this release, because yeah, from V1 beta 1 to V1, with the introduction of webhook, there are potentially problems when you later on upgrade from completely to V1 APIs, because we introduced the tightening validation. So if you have any questions, please reach out to the WM Snapshot group. All right, let me reshare my screen. All right, I will let, for the data protection workflows, I will let Fong take over to talk about the ongoing effort to discuss the CPT API, the block tracking API. There have been a couple of discussions. You can take audio over, please. And it's presenter, right?
Yeah, so Fang, you're now a co-host. I think you can share.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes, loud and clear.
Yeah. So over the last few months, I guess we have been working on this chain block, chain tracking change API design, and I think maybe 1 month ago, we have talked about the requirement. And in our discussion, we decided that instead of doing both file systems and the block, we just want to focus on the block for now. And we also have the list for requirement for file tracking chain, but we decided that we're gonna just do the block. And then when we finish with the block, we will also take a look at the file chain. So the requirement, we have walked over it in our last meeting with the community. We trying